Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we'll have a question with this video that if you want to answer. And it has to do with Microsoft today saying that 2025 is the year of the PC refresh. It's the year people are buying new computers. And they're basing that on several things. They're saying that people want to have a Copilot+PC, so that I'm not totally sure, especially with all the bad hype around recall. But we will have, and Microsoft does say that many manufacturers are going to be getting new PCs out. A lot of them Copilot+PC compatible, which means lots of AI with NPUs. And this is not just for Qualcomm ARM chips, but also with AMD and Intel that will have the new powerful chips with NPUs. So this is going to be interesting to see. Is there going to be a PC refresh like Microsoft says? And even if you don't get a Copilot+PC compatible machine, Microsoft says that the end of Windows 10 is going to push millions into buying a new computer this year. So, of course, that is the wish that Microsoft has. I hope Microsoft is still looking at the numbers that 62% of people are on Windows 10. I doubt 62% of all of these people will be on Windows 11 at the end of the year. So this is going to be interesting to look at. So the question for you guys that you can answer below, you can answer with a simple yes or no, or of course you can give more explanation as to why your decision. Are you planning to buy a new computer in 2025? If yes, would it be a Copilot+PC compatible machine, or just a bare, standard PC that will run Windows 11 and that's it? So answer below. My answer to that, it is not impossible that I will get a Copilot+PC compatible computer by the end of the year, because first of all, I am in a moment of PC refresh, and also since I make these videos, I think having a Copilot+PC compatible machine will help in making future videos of new features also at the same time on the channel. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.